Video ads campaign in Google AdWords. Google AdWords is a powerful platform for businesses to market their products and services online. Learn how to create successful video ad campaigns and reach your target audience. Benefits of video ads in Google AdWords. Engagement. Video ads often have higher engagement rates than other ad formats, helping your business get more attention from potential customers. Brand awareness. Video ads are an effective way to increase brand awareness, as they allow businesses to showcase their products and services in a visual and engaging way. Targeting. Google AdWords offers a range of targeting options, including demographics, interests, and keywords, allowing businesses to reach their ideal audience. Types of video ad formats. In-stream ads. These ads play before, during, or after other videos and can be skippable or non-skippable. Discovery ads. These ads appear alongside other YouTube videos, in YouTube search results, or on the YouTube mobile homepage. Bumpers ads. Short, non-skippable ads of up to 6 seconds that play before, during, or after another video. Outstream ads. These ads appear on partner websites and apps, rather than within YouTube videos. Creating a video ad campaign. Define your goal. Decide what you want to achieve with your video ad campaign and develop a clear call to action. Plan your budget. Set a budget for your campaign and decide how you want to pay for your ads. Create your video ad. Produce your video ad, keeping in mind the audience you want to reach and the goals of your campaign. Set up your campaign. Use Google AdWords to set up your campaign, including targeting options and ad format. Targeting and audience segmentation. Location. Target people based on where they are located and where they are searching from. Demographics. Choose from a range of demographics to target, including age, gender, and household. Income. Interests. Target people based on their interests or the type of content they are likely to engage with. Keywords. Target people based on keywords they have searched for on Google or YouTube. Measuring and optimizing video ad. Performance. Measure your results. Use Google Analytics to track and analyze the performance of your video ads. Optimize your campaign. Make adjustments to your targeting and ad format based on the performance of your campaign. Calculate ROI. Determine your return on investment and make data-driven decisions for future campaigns. Best practices for a successful video ads campaign. Keep it short. Make sure your video ad is concise and gets to the point quickly. Add value. Give the viewer a reason to watch your ad by offering something of value, whether it's entertainment or useful information. Be creative. Get creative with your video ad to make it stand out from the crowd. Test and iterate. Test your ad campaign and make iterative improvements based on what you learn. Conclusion. With the right approach, video ads can be a highly effective way to reach your target audience and achieve your marketing goals. Remember to focus on providing value, measuring your results, and being open to making changes to optimize your campaign.